Hi my peeps, what's up? Wagwan. Wagwan. We have to give God thanks, we're alive and well. So basically I got this it's a huge air fryer. I mean, if I know see I say something big, you know, guys. So, so this is the box it came in. I took it out just now. Me say it's something big. Oh my god. But anyhow, I got a deal on this one, guys. It's new. The only thing, they were like, I'll put the price in it, don't get me wrong, but anyhow, Boxing Day sale, they were at $99. All right, but then when I swiped down a little bit, they said get it like next price use or something, and then when I click on it, it explained to me that it has damage. The box has damage on it. Possible the air fryer could have some damages as well. So this is the damage. It went into the next box. So it's like two boxes. It went into that one and it damaged that one as well. So it's like this. So this one was selling for, I think, $66 or $69. I will put the price in. And guys, yeah, that's how it's looking. That's the name of it. Longdon Sunshine air fryer. So that's the name of it right there. I will leave the link. It's also on Amazon, but no, the price gone up sky high. All right, I'm gonna show you how it looks over here. All right, so basically this is how it's looking, guys. I need to take this part off. All right, I hope you're seeing it. All right, it's kind of dark in here. So this is it. It's new. I look at it, I don't see any damage really. It's really new and nice. I don't see any damage to no side or nothing, so I guess it's sturdy. Oh, and this part feels so smooth. Now watch this, so guy me a biscuit over there, so focus. All right, and that top, it's silver and black. Longdon Sunshine. All right, I think to open it you just pop that out, I think, and that's how it stays. It's big. It's like, how much? Let's see how big it is. Instruction and all of that. Everybody knows to use air fryer. I don't know, a 6.5 point something quarter or something. So this is how it's looking, guys. There's a extra basket. So this is a container here, and there's an extra basket here. This one can come out, but I think I see some screw right there. So I think when I'm ready to take it out, I have to screw it and screw it back in when needed, right? When you maybe need to clean and stuff. But yeah, they come with this pop out lock back. I don't know what that's for, but I guess that's how it go. And this is it. I'm gonna take this part off. All right, and I'm gonna power it up. But I don't think I'm gonna power it up just yet. Maybe I add this part to the next video when I'm gonna power it up to, well, I could power it up and look at the lights. All right, guys, I'm gonna power it up. And oh, I didn't tell you the total price I paid for it. I paid $77 in total with tax. All right, so let me just power it up. Turn it around. I don't think it can power up, guys. So basically, let me try if we put this piece in. I'll do a plastic in a minute and turn it on like that, guys. Not burn down the place yet. I just, okay, guys, me say come see, and come no see. How old people them say? But anyhow, guys, let's take it out. So push it in, take it out. I'm gonna put it over here a little bit. And basically, I was saying to myself, remember, I have two pieces in there. I don't know how to take it out. And this, you see how in my bottom? Me I said, wait there. But me see some screw here, so me take the screwdriver and me I screw it. And when me look, me say, no man, this piece can't come out. So look here, guys. My goodness, what was I doing? All I have to do, push it back, press this thing. Wow. Girl. I'm gonna have to see with me, guys. I'm gonna have to see with me, because poor me never know. So look at that. This part easily come out, wash. And this part it can clean easily. Look at at that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a piece of foil paper in the bottom to catch excess, you know, and that's it. Both of them can go in the what you call that there? Dishwasher. Oh dear. All right, guys, that's it, man. And it's something heavy. You see? Woo. There you go. Boy, oh boy. But it's really good, guys. $77. I'll put the price what it's worth here. Oh my, can't take off these now. It's something good. Well, me don't know how good it is. It's coming to try it, but the quality is good and you don't have no dent on it. Thanks be to God. And I got it for $66 plus tax, I think 77. All right, guys, since I took that part off, let's get out and everything. We're just gonna power it up. Wow, it look pretty. And then I think you put it on one. Oh, you press this, guys, and it tell you whichever one. Oh, you want to bake a cake? Press this over. That's off, and this is to change all of that up there. Fries, steak, fish, shrimp, cake, chicken, I don't know, a tender something, T-bone, fish. And then you press whatever temperature, and if you want to put the timer on, and then you start it. That's it. Pretty good. Bye, guys.